Hi everyone, it's Anya from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share a breakfast recipe with you from my Vegan Made Easy cookbook, and it is for breakfast eggy muffins. So these are vegan eggy muffins and they're great for meal prep. They're so quick and easy to make, and I'm going to show you that recipe right now.
Cooking with Plants, Vegan Made Easy.
We're going to get started with a blender. So I'm using my Ninja today with this attachment, a large cup attachment, and it's so great to use because it has a larger blender attachment, it has a spiralizer attachment, and it also has a food processor attachment, all with this same base, so it's really easy to use. And if you're interested in that, I'll leave a link down below so you can check it out, but it's really useful. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to add 170 grams of tofu. This is just firm tofu. Then I'm adding in 1/3 of a cup of plant-based milk. I'm using oat milk today. A clove of garlic, because garlic just makes everything taste delicious. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of mustard. So this is actually truffled Dijon mustard, but you can use any Dijon type mustard that you like. And a tablespoon of chickpea flour. This will help to bind it and give it a bit of an eggy consistency and texture. And a tablespoon of cornstarch. This will add a little bit of springiness to the eggy muffins. And then I'm just adding a dash of turmeric. This is just for colour. And then just add about a teaspoon's worth of your favourite Italian herbs. I'm adding oregano. You can add parsley, basil, thyme, rosemary, whatever you can think of. And if you have fresh ones on hand, by all means add those because they will add extra flavour. And then I'm just adding some salt and pepper to taste. And if you have some black salt on hand, or also known as colour namak, which is actually a pink colour, so it's a bit confusing, it has a sulfuric taste and it adds an eggy flavour. So if you do have that, use it in this and it will make it taste extra delicious. But I don't have any on hand at the moment, so I'm just going with regular seasonings. Okay, and then just give this a blender. Okay, so this has been blending for about 2 minutes. It's still very thick, but that's what you want. That's the consistency we're aiming for to put it into a silicone muffin tray, and then we're going to cook it up. So I've got my oven preheating at the moment at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 175 degrees Celsius, and that will be ready to go in a minute. So while I fill up these muffin holes, I can wait for my oven to heat up. Okay, so I'm just going to use a little silicone spatula and I'm just going to portion these out. Okay, so I've portioned these out and I've got 4 little muffins there ready to go. So I'm going to bake these up and then it'll be time for a taste test. Okay, so these have cooked in the oven for about 25 minutes to 30 minutes, and I also cooled them down for about another 5 or 10 minutes in the fridge, and the longer they sit, the firmer they will get. So at the moment, you can see this is a nice sort of eggy consistency, and oh, they smell so good. This is going to be my breakfast, and like I said, this is easy. You can double the recipe, triple it, make it a larger portion, and then just cook these up and keep them in the fridge or in the freezer ready for breakfast meal prep. This is so quick and easy to make. And and so yummy. You can add extra add-ins into this. Add some cooked mushrooms into it. Some peas would be great. Chopped up red peppers or chili. So versatile, so delicious. I hope you give these a try, and remember, the recipe is in my cookbook, Vegan Made Easy, and I've also got the written recipe down below. They're so good. Well, if you make these, I would love to see your photos and your comments come on over to my Facebook group and let me know what you think of these and share your photos on Instagram, tag me. They're so delicious. So happy meal prepping and see you for the next recipe. Bye for now. Oh, breakfast. Yum.